EFT founder Dr. Johnson states that EFT was influenced by John Bowlby's attachment theory, also by the humanistic and experiential theory of Carl Rogers, and thirdly, the structural theory of Salvador Minuchin. It's a structured approach that uses that spans between 8 and 20 sessions with couples, normally more on the long end. EFT does not focus on teaching specific skills and tools. This is vastly different from the way I've done couples therapy. I implement a lot of tools that they can use at home. But in EFT, when emotions are running high, the thought is that in the moment, those tools may be tossed out the window. And so instead, EFT is focusing on the restructuring, focusing on finding an understanding about the why of the pattern, and then also looking at the how. How are we getting stuck in this pattern? And then further, what work can be done to interrupt the pattern so that they're able to move forward and move out of the dysfunction in order to elicit new responses from the couple that are vastly different from what's been keeping them stuck in the past.